making the tea. I'm making the tea. How many times do I have to explain? Get your recorder away from fire and water and famines and floods. Here's some classical fuzz to relax it. Fill it up. I know you can, but the recorder. How else am I supposed to record if I can't have my recorder near anything? How are our herbs drying? Oh, I didn't know you did that. How could you not? We did it the other day. Well, you weren't here for it, but you saw them, for sure. For shizzle. I got all these seed crackers for when I'm gonna go out, and I'm like, is that a good idea? Seeds? Everything seasoning is wonderful, but it's also really, really strong. It makes you sick. Personally, I have basic arithmetic. Arithmetic the easy way. That is according to them. Do you want any tea, hon? Which hun? Well, I didn't think you wanted tea. Who? You never have tea when I do. Which one of us? Both of you, but I was talking to our guest. Didn't know that. Well, of course. Of course? Sorry, I thought you'd be talking to your child first. My mistake. My mistake? Okay, we have Kyoto Rose, we have lemongrass, we have lemon balm. There's no such thing as lemon... Oh! We have organic whey. I mean, I don't know that I feel like being organic right now. Well, that'd be good, though. What do you want? I need something for my throat. We have Celestial Seasonings Vitamin C Shine, caffeine-free, and I believe there's a rooster crowing, but it's not just a rooster crowing. This is like Vitamin C Shine, immune support. So this is 130% daily vitamin C. The rooster is crowing through a trumpet, and the sun is really a wheel of an orange slice. I mean, if you drink this and you don't feel better, something's wrong with you, not the tea company. You have sleepy time, honey. Daily detox might be kind of rad. I really like this stuff. This isn't... I am having tea. I changed my mind. I'm a child. I don't have to change my mind. Maybe I'm getting it for Sebastian. I'm just going to sip off his side. Hey! What? You'd be like Elvis now and just sip from where the handle is, and honestly, I want to start doing that now myself. Because germs and people be gross. How about you have a salted caramel? Yummy? It says yummy on the thing. Yummy caramel tea. Like, I get it. It's caramel tea. I don't need to know that it's yummy. I mean, duh. We have breakfast in Paris. Licorice I had last night and felt strange. We have refreshing turmeric chai. Matcha green. We have stuff. What do you want? Peppermint would be good. Maybe for Christmas. I have to wait till Christmas to get peppermint? No, but it would be polite. There's my tea ball. I do a lot of, like, loose teas. That's the thing that Mom was probably thinking of. I don't want anything else sweet after the oat milk. Joke. I do, however, want a clear cup. I do, however, don't want a clear cup. I want a small cup. What about you, Sebastian? I'm good. He says that. And then in a few minutes, when I'm drinking tea from the handle side... Alright, the tea's done. So what kind are you having? I have to have the extra C now. I mean, after you said all that. I was pretty extra about the extra C. The extra C itself was like extra fancy. Hang on. I already read this, I think. Oh, the other one. Here, look at our tea bag. Bring me the sunset in a cup. And that should have been written actually on that other one. This is Shinsanka. I can't even, let me see. It is Shisandra berry. Point is, the tea's coming and we're sharing. I know that I'm okay. You, sir, are not okay. I'll start a duel with you. Slap you across the face with the blue mitt. I'm sorry. She's always like this. Not always. Just most of the time. Honey, would you like your honey with a honeycomb? It's pretty much all dissolved in there, though, which is kind of strange. I love the honeycomb, and I thought I'd really love it, and I had a bite, and I'm like, okay, all right. It's not as good as I thought. And the chocolate thing was better than I thought, so you can never tell. That's way too much honey. Darn it. Let's spill this on the tablecloth next. Honestly, this week, though, we're going to redecorate. If you want to be around for that, go ahead. I don't know that I want to. Not you. You have to be around for everything that happens here because you're the parent. Of course. I just got my tea, and now I have to go to the bathroom. I could let it steep, or I could not die. I wonder how long it can steep without it being bad, like, for you. I can watch it if you want. Why do you sound so casual today? I need you to be upset and on point because we have arithmetic the easy way. Can I steal your sweater, Mom? It's so cute. It has spots on it. When she wears it, it looks like she's naked. I guess that's a no. No, go ahead. Okay. If you reluctantly, begrudgingly, insist, I guess so. She's returned. I was going to say something mean to you and I forget. Oh yeah, I'm depressed. I'm starting to get depressed, so like, hurry up. Hurry up and what? I don't know. It's up to you, I guess. Oh, there goes my necklace again. Okay. Let's jump 12 feet in to the book. See where I left off. Oh, look at me, Mom. I got 100% A on my last math thing. Fractions can be added. What? Fractions can be added? It's going to be like the bookmark thing. Yeah, we did, what did we do last time? It was Old English? Pick a pencil for me, and keep in mind, I said I was getting depressed. 3 types. Okay, geometric shapes, probably not. That looks magical. Try the silver one. I will try the silver one. No, you're right, red would make me angry. Depression leads to anger, we all know it. Okay, let's start. Fractions can be added. We've already done fractions can be added. Let's do fractions that can't be added next. Alright, let me open the book for you. Fractions whose sum is 1. We're all 1 here. No, we're on this one. After adding, what's next? Wow, there's a snappy title. Fractions can be added. That was... Which page was that on? Ew! I got that. Ew! That was on my arm. Must not. I sneezed way over there. Alright, my arm against you. I don't know. 7.1 is what we did, so this is 7.2. It's simple. It's simple! Is that it? Do you want to read or do you want me to? First I have to get a forklift and move the book over. I'll write them down. Let me start. Let me get this silver, shiny, magical pencil that you got out for me. Sebastian, this is not a good pencil. It's dull. Can you sharpen this? Here. This is not the pencil that I asked for, so. Use this in the meantime. I'm not going to slow down sharpening pencils. Mom? I don't think so. Fine. Did I mention I was getting depressed? You'll be even more depressed if you don't finish your math lesson. Yeah. Okay, you two are in cahoots, and it's going to stop as soon as I'm done with math. Alright, I'll use the red one after all. Okay. Oh, now I smeared it. If you show me the eraser, now I know. Practice. Do I have to write exercise? It's like a workout to write the word exercise. Mentally and physically. Alright, practice exercise 74. 74? It's 7.2. 7.1. No, this is, 7.2. Well, don't you just know everything? Go ahead and read, I guess. And I'll write down the problems. Here's the bookmark. You may or may not remember that from the last episode, ladies and gentlemen. A recipe calls for a 4th cup of water now, and another 4th cup of water later. How much water is needed in the recipe? I could listen to you read literally anything. Okay, back to reading. Solution! Find the solution. Solution. You must add the fractions 1... Oh my god. I just remembered. I was talking to a friend on the phone. He stopped me, and he literally told me over the phone, he said, you have the kind of voice, I mean, you could read me the telephone book. And I would listen to the whole thing, all volumes. I don't know what that means, because it was a guy. Voice is a voice is a voice. Can you use yours to finish the sentence? You must add the fractions 4th and a 4th to find how much water is needed. Somehow, some later. Look at the following example. Mom, are you the following example? Are you baking anything? Oh, we have to put rice on the list. Alright. Here, here's my pencil. Ow! I didn't even get up and I hit my foot. White rice? Okay. White. Alright, here you go. Sebastian, we had 2. One sharpen the other one. Okay, go ahead, tell us the problem. And then tell me all the answers. Oh, I love this. Thus. Maybe you should just read thus. I think you know where it's going. So 1/4 and 1/4. 1 plus 1? 2. I know that. Wow, like, I know that. Okay, nothing. You should know that I know that. I assume that you know it, even though I don't know it exactly. I mean, I do know it, but I didn't know you thought that I didn't know it, you know? I know that you know it. Why did you think I didn't know what we're knowing now? Everyone knows. 1 and 1 equals 2. Add the numerators together. We know what those are. Place the sum over the same denominator. We know what that is. You're going too fast. Catch, if you start with him too. But he's going too fast. Alright, you're okay. You're alright. I'm just not paying attention because I'm kind of looking at your floppy hair. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to, stand in for Carrie while she's in here. No offense to Carrie because I love her clothes. Write the fraction 2 over 4. In its simplest form, divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. Why? Because 1 and 1 is 2. I know that. Why do you assume... Okay, I won't go into it again. It was funnier the first time. If then. Alright, so 2 over 4, you divide by 2. Why do you divide by... Oh, because 4 and 4 is 8. I don't understand. Because 1 and 1 are 2. Why do you think... Okay, I'm sorry. Because 1 and 1 are 2, so you divide by 2. And whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. Wide open. You just leave these doors to these jokes just wide open. Thus, well, if looks could kill, 4th and a 4th equals a half. Because you add them and then you divide by 2. And how do you get 2 again? It's like 1 and 0 or 1 and negative 2 or... Alright, I'm stopping again. It's so simple that, something has to make it hysterical. You always do. Thank you, Mom. Water? Deer Park water? Add the fractions and write each sum in its simplest form. So simplest like half. 2/4 is not the simplest that I have found. Thank you very much. 1/9 plus 2/9. And 1 and 1 is... Or 2 and 1 is 3. There's nothing for you. 3 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. 1/3. Right? Let me check. It's funny because, the second deputy on Andy Griffith Warren, who, by the way, you know what? I shouldn't even say anything. But anyway, The second deputy on Andy Griffith was Warren, and it's funny because my whole life I've been going, like after I tell jokes and stuff like this. You were falling asleep, cheek on hand right now while I tell this story. Good. That's good. I guess I got that from him and I didn't even know, because in childhood I was like, I liked Warren. I liked Warren maybe even a little bit better than Barney when I was a kid. When I was a kid, I really liked Warren. I did. I really did. Okay, guess I was never going to expose that, but guess I just thought I was going to, so I did. A third? We can look in the back when we're done. Bad save. Wait, don't you know? I'm sorry. I assumed that you thought that I knew that 1 and 1 was 2. Alright, 4 over 6. 4 divided by 6 isn't going to work out. I'll tell you that right now. 6. I know. I can't tell if you're being helpful on purpose or unhelpful not on purpose. -1. No, I know it's not negative. I just say stuff while I'm doing schoolwork. Like, don't even listen to me while I'm doing schoolwork. Like, after, that's what counts. I reverse numbers. I write down the correct answer and freak everybody out because I say the wrong answer. Even though I knew it, wrote it down correctly. Is 1.5, so now we have another issue. We aren't even going to do 7.1, so this will be over soon. It'll be over. Relax. Boy, your hair's soft. Catch. Don't touch people while they're helping me with schoolwork? What? What a rule. What a rule we had to make up. Yeah, well, sometimes you find out that's a good one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's so ironic is that Whisper is in love with art history class. And I'm like, okay, but like talk to my friend Sebastian before you take art history class. She does it online. Teachers can be weird online too. I mean, you know, ever hear of cyberbullying? 4 over 8. So we're gonna know what that is right now. The number that's on top, so 4. And that's 1 again. Boy, this is getting boring. Half, it's a half. Problem, answer 4. 3/10 and 2/10. I want to do this one in my head, Sebastian. So it'd be 3 and 2 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 10 is 2. So it'd be half again. And I'm gonna write down a half. Just keep shaking your head in surprise. Oh, 15. You know what? We need to make it a rule that like when Sebastian comes over, we just let the recorder run out to 20 minutes before we even like change. I'm talking, dog, whoever it is out there, because it's only at 15 minutes right now. We've only wasted 15 minutes. Yeah, but they're like 9 tracks. By now, we spent the whole day. It wasn't the whole day, it was just the afternoon. I'm gonna go downtown with you. There's something about you, and yeah, I can talk and do schoolwork at the same time. Talent. Should have been in the talent show. So I can jaw and do math. Was thinking that I'd love to have a recording of us going downtown together. Because there is something about you, I feel something off you, where like you remind me, no, not divided by 12, divided by 4. Shouldn't you be paying attention to your work? 4. I caught myself. I mean, geez. Something about you that like reminds me of going downtown at like 5 a.m. getting a big tea in a pencil skirt when I was like really little and wanted to pretend that I was a business mogul like Wolf of Wall Street. A kitsch Wolf of Wall Street, going down in the early morning to drop my daddy off at construction, and he worked in all the best buildings. People, they grow up, you know, they go to college, go to school, go to college, they get married, they have kids, they get a big house or a small house or whatever, and if they work hard enough at it, they may end up sitting in a cubicle in one building with one elevator staring at one thing for the whole rest of their natural and unnatural lives. My dad, since he was in construction, he went everywhere. He got carpet from there, he got tile from there, because they demolished buildings, but they all... How do you add that many 6s in a row? You divide. There are 3 denominators in this problem right now. I might just have to skip to a problem with more denominators. Alright, I should focus, but also I shouldn't. How about we look at the back? I'm not cheating. They didn't teach me. It's the same. So what is it? 6 divided by... It's the same. I know it's the same. So it's 6 divided by 3, which would be 3 2s. 3 divided by 2, 1.5, which is 1/2 again. I wouldn't have guessed that. Shall we make sure we're right before we move on? We only have 4 more problems left. I got a lot more than 4 more problems.